So let's talk about how fertilization happens with the sperm and the ovum of the woman after ejaculation. Hello there, my name is Chine Obi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, there's a coily wire-like structure in the testis called the epididymis, and part of the epididymis is actually what forms the vas deferens, which is where vasectomy occurs. Vasectomy is that part where sterilization occurs for a man who wants to go through contraceptive. If you want to tie your, what's it called, sperma, if you want to tie your, you don't want to get pregnant, you don't want to impregnate any woman again, you tie that part. It's called the vas deferens. And this part, you actually still ejaculate sperm, but there will be no semen in it. It will not be fertile. So that's about that. So usually this wired or coiled wire-like thing in the epididymis, when stretched out, is about 20 feet. The length, about 20 feet of, in length. So the sperm actually takes about 12 days to move through these coils while in the testes. So when ejaculation actually happens, it flows through the vagina of the woman. Some of them flows through, some of them die on the way. Then some pass through the urethra, through the cervix, into the uterus, and to the tubes, which is where fertilization occurs. When they get there, in the process, some are still dying. Even in the uterus, in the vagina, some are still dying. When they get there, the acid nature of the vagina kills some of them. Some of them just die on the road and all that. When they get to the ovum, or the fallopian tube, sorry, they all gather round on a particular ovum, and there with the coagulation, that's with the plenty nature that they are, they all release. There's an enzyme they release called acros. This enzyme is actually what is responsible for piercing the ovum, and it is only one that will go in, even though what is remaining when they get to the ovum is about 2,000 from that 100 million or 120 million. It might just be in few thousands that will get to the ovum. So when the all of them merge to the ovum, they release that enzyme that helps in the penetration of the ovum, but only one seeps in, and that one that seeps in its head into the ovum seals up the ovum. So others will just stay there and die and reabsorbed into the system. So that particular one is what fertilizes the ovum. So that means from all the millions of cells, we need just one to fertilize the ovum. So even though it's going to end up to be twins, triplets, it is that one with the ovum that starts dividing to form plenty multiple births, not several sperm. You understand? I hope you understand how it happens. So the mindset of my wife lied down, she stood up immediately after everything poured. It used nothing. No matter what is pouring, the ones that are supposed to fertilize the egg will swim in. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.